Welcome to our 2026 Horizons of Portugal summer tour. This is our big one for 2026. We have got an incredible trip planned, starting in the north of Portugal with 2 nights at the Six Senses Douro Valley, considered one of the best hotels not only in Portugal but also Europe. We're then going to be heading east into the Serra da Estrela mountain range. It's the highest mountains in Portugal. The roads around here are absolutely stunning. The scenery is just out of this world. Rocks, dams, sweeping bends, tight hairpins, just driving heaven. From there we head down into the heart of the Alentejo region and one of the best wineries anywhere in Portugal, the Herdade de Sobroso. We're taking the hotel exclusively for the group. We've got an exquisite couple of evenings there. We'll be dining in the gardens, an amazing experience. Whilst in the Alentejo, we've got a full day on track at the Monteblanco race circuit, which we've hired privately for the group. We've got some race cars lined up, we've got some instructors on hand as well, and an amazing day waiting for us there. The final day of the tour sees us head down to the south coast of Portugal in the Algarve. And we're going to be staying at the Vila Vita Parc Resort, a superb hotel on the cliffs overlooking the sea. Dinner is going to be in the hotel's superb teppanyaki restaurant, a great way to unwind and look back and celebrate what's been an amazing week.